Maghahanapan pa nanganamba pabalik na nilalay ko pag-ibig. Sadyang ganito ang nagmamahal, di ka dapat mabahala, hinanakit sa'kin walang-wala. At kung hindi man dumating sa'kin ang panahon na ako ay mahalin mo rin, saan mong di ako magdarapdam kahit ako ay nasasaktan. Huwag mo lang
Happy birthday, Remy. Itabi mo yung giveaway para sa akin. Habol ako.
Ma'am Jowa, ma'am. Ma'am, di ma'am Lisa Ruan.
Ay, ewan ko, hindi siya naka-online. Basta yung tag ko.
Ni ma'am Jowa.
Habol ako kung si Wilma Jowa.
Ma, napalakan kami di kadwa ba di iteri.
Happy birthday kung na di kumare nga pada nga balo. O happy birthday kung ni Norma Peraltan. Ala, Remy ka na eh. Pasyar ka kami dyan. Pumasyar kami dito ko ako nana. Claveria. Ni Norma Peraltan.
Balod.
Agul kaya.
The boyfriend nan. Ni ma'am Norma nang Norma.
Ay, wow, sana all. Sana all, my boyfriend. Uy, guri kayo. Ubing at change outfit na ko. 11 o'clock na oh. Di ba sabi ko change outfit na?
Nagtayo sa kanan?
Ay, discount data, discount data.
Okay na, balik natin
Guri kayo, pag-picture lang. Wow, sana all may apam. Oy, pinapana sa Australia.
Ano pera ka? Pera ka mo tawagan na. Ni pa na ko. Wala lagi dito.
Galing ba kayo pinasukan?
Ay, may manay. Okay. Hindi ka sa video kan.
Bahala kayo. Basta yung baga. Mapanak ko pag-picture.
Alam mo,
Kapanak pag-picture video.
yung tanto mo dahil sa picture din.
Digito daw, digito daw. Lumal-malo. Bahala kayo.
Ano po? Ano po?
Biro ko na rin ang pera sa ganyan na kailan kahit vlog yan tinawagan na makatutulong ng kita. Siya kataman siya.
Only baby first when you were free. Cause now you've got to know I should not expect things from that you can give to me. But baby, can't you see? I can say goodbye to you, no matter how I try. You're such a part of me. Without you, I would die deep in the heart of me. I know that you and I were meant to be forever. I can't tell you goodbye. Neither of us blood, we will fall in love this way. But since we did, why should we be apart? Sometimes something's happen that can never be explained. It's too late for me. I can say goodbye to you, no matter how I try. You're such a part of me. Without you, I would die deep in the heart of me. I know that you and I can't tell you goodbye. Who knows why we choose when we choose the ones we love? Who knows why we do the thing when we do what we're in love? I know that you're a dancing, trying to do what's better, but how can I forget the feelings we have shared? I can say goodbye to you, no matter how I try. You're such a part of me. Without you, I would die deep in the heart of me. I know that you and I were meant to be forever. I can't tell you goodbye. I can't tell you goodbye.
Ay, mayate.
Mayate, mayate. Huwag kang magmukmuk sa bahay niyo.
Ako na kwa. Papalutin.
Yan, nasa ito.
Just relax.
Let it find your way. to tell me what is the sweet sensation. It's a miracle that's happening. Though I search for an explanation, only one thing it could be, that I was born for you. It was written